Did you know that millions of Americans brush and floss every day, yet still struggle with bad breath, gum issues, or tooth decay? The problem might not be your toothpaste, it could be the bacteria inside your mouth. Introducing ProDentim, the world's first probiotic supplement specially designed for your oral health. A new, science-backed way to support your teeth and gums from the inside out. Inside your mouth, there are billions of bacteria, some good, some harmful. ProDentim helps restore balance by adding over 3.5 billion healthy bacteria back into your oral microbiome. These beneficial strains, like Lactobacillus paracasei and B-lactis-BL04, support stronger gums, cleaner teeth, and fresher breath. They help protect your enamel, fight bad bacteria, and keep your mouth feeling naturally fresh all day long. These beneficial strains, like Lactobacillus paracasei and B-lactis-BL04, support stronger gums, cleaner teeth, and fresher breath. They help protect your enamel, fight bad bacteria, and keep your mouth feeling naturally fresh all day long. Cápsula de ProDentim Contem, Lactobacillus paracasei, Melora asad dos gengibes. Lactobacillus rotari, Montemo equilibrio da microbiota oral. B. Lactis BL04, Reforca o sistema inmunológico. Inaline e ácido malico, Iudum no halito fresco e fortalece mos malte. E hortelipimenta, para frescor antibacteriano natural. ProDentim users report cleaner teeth, fresher breath, and stronger gums in just a few weeks. Unlike mouthwash or toothpaste that only clean the surface, ProDentim works from within, helping your mouth maintain the perfect balance of good bacteria. Take care of your smile the smart way, from the inside out. Click the link below to order your bottle of ProDentim today and join thousands of people discovering the power of probiotic oral care. Because a healthy smile starts with a healthy mouth. Right, if in the channel, activate the bell for more content.